Hi, it's Carson from the Tech Bolt. There's going to be a link to our website in the description of the video. Today, this tutorial will be on linking HTML and CSS. By the way, I'm using Notepad++, which is a really good text editor. My friend Jacob actually showed it to me. He is part of the Tech Bolt. I'll have a link to his website and YouTube in the description as well. Anyway, we are going to start out by just making a normal HTML document just to set it up. Also, if we're going to do this tutorial, you're going to need to know some HTML, like basic knowledge of it, because I don't feel like making a tutorial to teach you the basics. So anyway, say we have a H1 tag, which I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, but I think it stands for heading 1. I'm not sure. So anyway, I guess we'll just have it as Carson is amazing, period. Okay, this is going to be, first of all, at the top of your document, under the HTML tag, the starting tag, HTML tag, you're going to write this code right here. You can get this from w3schools.com, somewhere in there. Anyway, this basically means that it connects this HTML document to the mystyle.css document, which is going to be our CSS document. So instead of having them in one document, you can have them in two separate ones. It'll just make it easier to navigate through. Anyway, we are going to go up to the save button. Press save. Let's get to documents. I'm going to go to HTML projects. Okay. Now, you're going to save this as, well, you can save it as anything.html. What I usually save it as is as index.html. Going to go to save as type, all types. Without that, it's not going to work. So we're going to press save. And as you can see, it realizes that it is an HTML document. It makes everything easier for me. Not all text editors do that. Like if you're using Notepad, it's not going to do that because it's just, anyway. Now we have to make our mystyle.css file. So we're going to go to file, new. We have this blank document. So now in our HTML document, we have it so it connects index.html to mystyle.css. Since we don't have a mystyle.css yet, we're going to need to go to the new blank one, file, save as, mystyle.css. And again, save as type needs to be all types. And then we're going to press save. Now, this is connected to this. We are going to change the color of the H1 tag. So what we're going to do is H1, open curly bracket. I'll just press Enter twice and make it closing curly bracket just so I remember. We're going to type in color, colon, number signal, not sure what it's called, but you know what it is. And then FF0000, and then a semicolon. Now if we save that and then we're going to go to documents and go to whatever you save that as. I saved it in my HTML projects folder as test. So then we're going to double click this and it opened it up. It opened it up in Google Chrome, which is what I use, and see it turned Carson is amazing red. I know I'm not very good at tutorials, but I will hopefully get better. So that's going to be the end of this one. That was just basic how to connect HTML and CSS documents. I'm going to try to put more tutorials up. Hopefully, more CSS tutorials, and I'm going to try to get the other people in the Tech Bolt to work on them too. So remember to subscribe and just keep checking back for more. Bye.